back or welcome if you're new here on today. This is Katrina's Price's Home Life and More. I share home decor, tablescapes, cooking in my Price's kitchen, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well. In today's video, I have a quick shopping haul and a recipe just in time for the 4th of July. Let's start off with some Purex, 2 bottles, some Dawn sponges, a silicone sink mat, that was $3.96. All free and clear mighty packs, a bottle of strawberry syrup, and a bottle of chocolate syrup. Cherries for Mom, and lots of bananas because lately we've been doing smoothies for breakfast. Some blueberries and strawberries, gummy worms, a pack of vanilla jello pudding, some chicken broth, Monterey Jack cheese, unsalted butter, heavy whipping cream, tropical punch, you know it's one of my favorites, a gallon of milk, some baby spinach, a 12-pack of great value strawberry banana yogurt, and a party-sized pack of Ritz, as well as some unfrozen Atlantic salmon. That's all. First things, let's grab all of our ingredients. As always, the full ingredients list and cooking directions will be in the description box below. Transparent moment. I picked up the cook and serve vanilla pudding instead of the instant. But you know, I'm a cook, so I made it do what it do. And I did what I did. But yeah, don't do that. Get the instant vanilla pudding. Now, let's proceed with the remainder of the video.
Let me tell you all the ways I'm covered. I got strength around my race as he ushers friends and family, I say, in his shelter. No matter where I turn, there's blessings in my face. I'm in awe of how you keep doing something amazing.
Always wash your hands and always wash your fruits. To my loyal subscribers, you know I truly appreciate your continued support. And if you're new here, well, I am Katrina. I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And I love sharing all things home decor, cooking, cleaning, shopping, just a good, fun, wholesome time. If these are things that interest you, come on and join my growing Price's family. And please subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscription once and hit the bell twice so you'll never miss a future upload. You'll receive that alert stating that Trina's posted something on the tube.
Because of his grace. up every day as flesh and bones, humbled alone, weak on my own. Lord, you love me bare and natural. You meet me where I am, still high on your throne. I look up to you in all I do. You're my example of perfection, to be pleasing in your sight.
You could definitely stop here with this top layer and just scatter the blueberries on top. But me, I love whipped cream, so whipped cream it is.
You are, so I don't have to be perfect. You are.
Cover and chill in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and then enjoy. This recipe will last up to 1 day, but I'm not even worried about that because I already know my family.
No, he won't take score, just standing in the gap.
I appreciate you stopping by for another edition of Cooking with Katrina. And on your way out, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. Happy 4th of July to all of you. And remember, please stay safe. I want to see you next week. I want all of us to be here next week. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.